Alright, we're gonna look at how easy it is to use ClickFunnels. I want to make a website in, I don't know, under 5 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. Let's go to my email, log in. Yeah, that's great. You guys can see my email. I don't care. Let's go. You gotta click over to your dashboard. Sorry, my computer's been acting up lately. It's time to get a new one. And pardon me, I can't really hear out of my ear because I was swimming all weekend with my daughter, and apparently I got swimmer's ear now. So, all right, let's see what we have to offer now. Let us create a whole new funnel. Let's go start cookbook. Let's just make a basic squeeze page to get people's email addresses. Now, 2 pages. It says it's 20 minutes take time, but watch this. We can go right down to these free templates. Ready? Let's do, which one looks good, huh? I like this one. Let's try this one. I've never done this one before. So let's get funnel. All right. Working on delivery. So now let's go to ClickBank and find a product that we can use. This is the new ClickBank that I've been using. So I barely have any sales in here, and barely anything. I just opened it about a month ago to just do this kind of stuff with it. And apparently I've made $153.65 in a month just for doing these types of videos with them. Let's do weight loss. How about that? Red tea, I already have one of those. I've been hearing good things about this fat decimator thing. So let's try this guy out. Let's see if this will work on this one. Hear him. I know you guys don't want this either. Yeah, it works. Right, cool. So, yeah, we're gonna have to download some of these images. So let's just do this one real quick as the main picture. We'll put it in my folder for look at that. Alright. Now obviously when you're doing a squeeze page, you're going to want to give away something first. They give you, for this one, they give you a free report that you can give away, and well, we won't get into that part just yet. So, all right, let's go into here. Basically, look, all this is already set up for you. And obviously, it's not going to be under 5 minutes because I literally just decided to make this video 10 seconds or 6 minutes ago. So now we can, give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Sorry, I had to go to the bathroom. Alright, so we're going to just do the name of the program, Fat Decimator System. Go to about the product. Where to go? All right. It's gonna be great. What else comes to mind? We'll copy what they're writing. Put it right under it. But we will go smaller. Obviously. Now watch. We're going to add a new section in. I can't do this one. Alright, let's add a row. So like this, we'll just move this guy up one. Alright, so now 2 columns. And we can just add, this is just me going through quickly just so you can see how easy it is to add just everything and to just make the squeeze page itself. That's just some of my stuff I have uploaded. I have uploaded before. Alright, so let's just. That's right, I uploaded the entire folder. Okay. So, got the picture up there. Let's bring it down to 250 by 250. We'll go back to the about the product. Now, hang on. Is it just, yeah, hold on, give me a second. Alright, so basically, look, you brought up your funnel. Okay, that was step 1. Step 2, put the title of your squeeze page up top. Step 3, put a picture in. Put your email in below to get instant access to my free PDF on weight loss. Put it, or whatever the PDF is on, the free report on this free sample PDF, free report on PDF report on fat decimator. Okay, so then you put your email in. Done. Obviously, you have to integrate it, but if you're in ClickFunnels already and you have the certain software that they use to Actionetics and Backpack, then it's all through there. But I have a Weber, so I have to integrate it in. That's a whole nother different thing. And then go to step 2 now. Hit the button, set the action to go to the next step in the funnel, which would be your thank you page. Click save. Saving. Bam. Now it's live. Click back. Oh, that's right. I did already make another fat decimator sample. I just never put it up yet. Alright. I was just going through my ClickFunnels account and I just saw that. So, alright. So then you go to the lead magnet, which is the second step in the funnel, the thank you page where they would instantly download that free PDF sample. Wow, this is a pretty cool one. I've never seen this before. I'm gonna have to check this funnel out for a couple of my other pages. Alright, so then you do a thank you page, blah, blah, blah. Then you say just type in to say thank you. Let's get rid of that. Strike it out. Shit. Sorry. Your free PDF sample on the fat decimator system on its way to your email right now. You're going to add a section. Just go wide. This is being crappy too. I got it. Because of this box right here that's set up, and you can't add anything. Well, actually, you can right here. New element right below it. We'll do a paragraph. Alright, so then type in something like before you go and check your email right away, check out this new amazing system that people are losing upwards of, let's just say around number 15 pounds a week, finally being able to create that summer body they have been hunting. Now, so we're going to delete this video and put, crap, keep clicking it and I don't want to. There we go. Alright, delete, yeah, of course. So then we're going to add a new row. Let's do one column real quick. Let's add a new element, whatever. It's going to be a button. And at the button, come on. Right, we're going to do set action. Well, actually, no, we're going to. Come on. Now, you know what we're going to do? Check out this new quiz that. Look, alright, there's a quiz page for this. We're going to get our affiliate links from here. I think there's a quiz page at least. Let's just type in Jack Johnson Q11111. Cool. Is there a quiz? Check it out. Alright, so we'll just do. This isn't a good example for the quiz part, but here's the $17 or $20 off. Check it out. Here. Here is a $20 off coupon that you will be able to use to get fat decimator system today for only $17. This price will not last long, and this coupon will expire in 48 hours. So act fast. Okay. So we're gonna, come on, click here to get that summer body for less than $20. I'm just writing anything. I mean, you guys can write whatever, obviously. So then you paste in your hop link. Now, once they click there, they're going to end up